Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel Lesson Plan Corner. Happy Diwali to all of you and may all your wishes come true on this Diwali. Okay, so belated Happy Diwali because I have upload this video after Diwali. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make lesson plan on the topic Diwali. Okay, so anyhow I just managed to make this video. So you can see how we have to make format of this lesson plan. This is English lesson plan, and yes guys, you can see, you can hear all the voices, many voices coming out, so please do manage that. Okay. Here you can see a general aim, so to enable them to understand various concept or fact that is related with Diwali, we want to teach them. Okay, and we also want to enable them to write and pronounce English words properly. So I think this is a chapter. This is for class first. Okay, this chapter is there in class first. Here you can see specific objectives. Students will be able to know various facts related to Diwali, and by the end of this topic, students will be able to read and write. Teaching aids. So we have to write whatever teaching aids we are going to use. We have to kind of mention that. This is overall look of our lesson plan. Okay, and please do subscribe if you are watching this lesson plan. Please do subscribe my channel. Okay, here you can see we have to ask this question: do you like to celebrate Diwali? Then student will answer, yes, we do like to celebrate Diwali. Okay, student will answer this. So this is the answer that we expect. What do you do on Diwali? Okay, then student will try to answer whatever, we wear new clothes like this. Okay, why do we celebrate it? Do you know the reason behind that? Then it will be problematic. And why do we pray to God as Lakshmi on this day? It would be problematic. Okay, you can choose any one of these problematic question. Here you can see objectives and specification: to arouse previous knowledge, to check previous knowledge, to check attention, to link past experience with present knowledge. Okay. Statement of aim you can see. So after that we have to announce our topic. We have to announce our topic like, I'm going to teach you today the topic Diwali, and topic here you can say Diwali. Okay, this is an overall look of our lesson plan, you can see. And now comes our presentation part, presentation for stage, you can see. So we have to divide kind of paragraph. Here you can see we have to explain the paragraph of English lesson. Here is word meaning, that we, any hard meanings is there, we have to explain that. Okay, here you can see teacher explain properly and ask question. After that we have to ask question also. Who is decorating house? Who is visiting house? Why Ramesh love grandfather? Who do we worship on Diwali? And these are all expected answer that we expect from students. Students will answer these questions. Okay, here you can see whatever means we have to write hard meaning, word meaning on blackboard, and here also we have to mention the same thing. Here you can see skills. So we have to teacher will have to explain everything with the help of chart. Students observing chart, and chart for teaching it we have to write. Presentation 2, here you can see knowledge. So students recall it, that is objectives and specification, you can see. Presentation 2 you can see here. Okay, we have to explain, then we have to ask a question related to that. Why do we celebrate Diwali? How do we celebrate? And these are the expected answer. This is the blackboard work. Okay, so we have we can write hard meanings, we can write opposite, everything on the blackboard. Okay, now let's just turn the page and let's see the rest part of presentation 2. Here you can see. Okay, here you can see question: when do Diwali fall on each year? We have to ask this question to students. Why do we pray to goddess Lakshmi on that day? Here is the expected answer that we expect from the students. And this is blackboard work, you can see here. We can write hard word. Okay, here teacher shows chart and students observing chart, and for teaching it we have to write chart. Okay, now recapitulation part, you can see here. Why is Diwali celebrated? Why do we light firecrackers? And third question, fourth question, you can see which god is known as god of prosperity. You can see here the expected answer that we expect from students. Okay, so like this we have to make our lesson plan. I hope you understood everything properly. Okay, now let's turn the page and let's see the last part of our lesson plan, application and evaluation. So for that, like we have to give fill in the blanks to students. Okay, you can see here I have given here 4 fill in the blanks, you can see. Okay, so this way we have to give fill in the blanks to students for application and evaluation. And for home assignment, we have to give home assignment to the students for perfection of their knowledge. So this was my lesson plan on the topic Diwali for this is English subject. Okay, if you like this video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, I have another YouTube channel named Nutan Online Study. You can subscribe that channel also. Okay, we will meet in next video with another video topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.